press statement, as has been indicated, is an issue of great interest. So I begin now. On the 26th March 2021, the Communications Authority of Kenya, while undertaking routine monitoring, noted that Homeboyz Radio had made derogatory comments against women during its breakfast show of 25th March 2021. The comments were in violation of the law and the programming code in respect to the requirement for broadcasters to air decent and family-oriented programming during the watershed period. Upon reaching out to the station, Homeboyz Radio reverted to the authority, outlining the internal disciplinary action that had been taken against the presenters to avert a recurrence. The said measures included a public apology by the station and the presenters, institution of a disciplinary inquiry into the conduct of the presenters for a period of 2 weeks, and suspension of the presenters during the period of the inquiry. As at this morning, we have noted that the station has taken further action on the presenters. The authority notes that pursuant to Section 46I of the Kenya Information and Communications Act, all licensed broadcasters are obligated to, among other things, provide responsible and responsive programming that caters for the various needs and susceptibilities of different sections of the Kenyan community. In addition, broadcasters are required to observe standards of good taste and decency within the content of their broadcasts. Following an extensive review of the matter, the authority has established that the station had discussed sexual matters in an explicit and offensive manner and glorified sexual violence against women in blatant breach of the legal requirement for broadcasters to provide responsible programming. It has also established that the station violated Section 1.3.4 of the Programming Code that requires broadcasters to uphold the values and customs of civilized society, respect the rights and sensitivities of all people, preserve the honor and sanctity of families and homes, and protect the sanctity of individual dignity. We have also established that the station exposed a victim of gender-based violence to ridicule and implied that it was the victim's fault that she was targeted and assaulted. The station also implied that and breached the requirement to ensure that persons affected by tragedy and grief are treated with sensitivity, respect, and discretion. We have also established that it contravened the obligation not to air materials which contain abusive or derogatory treatment of individuals, groups, religions, or communities. Let me emphasize at this point that this is not a gender matter. Had the victim been of a different gender, the finding and the response would have been the same. In light of the gravity of the foregoing breaches, and given that this is a repeat violation, the Communications Authority of Kenya has taken the following regulatory actions against Homeboyz Station. 1. Levied a penalty of Kenya shillings 1 million. 2. Imposed a 6-month suspension on the offending show until the station demonstrates compliance with all statutory and regulatory requirements. 3. Directed that the staff of the station undergo training and sensitization on gender issues. This training should be certified and supervised by the National Gender and Equality Commission and evidence of compliance filed with the authority. 4. Directed that the staff of the station undergo training on the programming code by the authority. 5. Directed the station to publish a public apology in 2 newspapers with nationwide circulation and air the same apology on the station during prime time starting from today for the next 5 days. 6. Directed that the station reviews its editorial policy to align it with requirements of the law on gender and file the same with the authority. 7, directed that the station ensures that its presenters are accredited by the Media Council of Kenya and files evidence of compliance on the same with the authority. The authority upholds the principle of gender inclusivity and respect for diversity. Broadcasters are urged to exercise great responsibility when undertaking their work and to avoid incidences of gender stereotyping, fostering misogyny, and perpetration of negative narratives against women and men. The programming code pronounces itself in great detail in acknowledgement of the powerful and very important role that is played by broadcasters in Kenya in disseminating information, shaping opinion, and also as a platform for celebrating our diversity as a people and as a nation. We also wish to assure the public that we will continue monitoring the programming aired by our licensees to ensure that it conforms with the provisions of the ICT sector law, the Kenya Information and Communications Act. Thank you very much.